When going through the budget cycle, as we add new items, supplemental items, we're making packages, if you will, that we need to make decisions on. And we need to match those decisions up to our funding, so our budget balances, and we know what we can do, what we can go forward with for the year. This example here, a very quick example of how we can help aid in making those decisions and how quick, easy, and interactive that it is. The chart here on the left, the background is our funds or revenue generating components, taxes, whatever they may be, and they're actually entered on this bottom right sheet over here. I may enter them myself if I have the ability, I may not. The blue lines are my build-up list, if you will, of my new line items that I would like to add for the budget, whether they're capital, whatever. And they're actually represented here in the top sheet. A very quick expansion of this. I would go through as a department head, project manager, whatever it might be, and enter a variety of information. Simply go to add the line items. We put in what we want, all of the appropriate information that we need to generate costs, other decision points for a line item, even potentially breaking one element out into multiple components of a project, start dates, end dates. We're going to calculate all of the associated costs with that through implementation. We build those relationships up so the numbers come out automatically. And then at the end here, we have a two-step approval process. One is that, yes, this is me that I put them in from my department. These are the items I would like to do for the year. And then now what we have to do from a decision package perspective, making these decisions, is what can I actually include based on my funding overall? What will fit, what will not? So by minimizing this, coming back to the screen, I'm going to tab over real quick. I'm going to start going through and approving items. And I'm going to start with the first line item here, and I'm going to change that to approved. And we're going to save that. And what we're going to see now are the orange bars, which is now my new what I think I can do list or compared to a total. And we actually see that I could do that one line item within the funding levels that I have. Just barely, but it's there. Now, the other question is, what else might I be able to do? What are my real combinations here? And I want to look and see, how does everything else work out? What can I really do? What can I not do? I'm going to copy this element here, and I am going to paste it into all of my other items, 6 of them, quickly. And I'm going to unapprove this one or take it off of the list, since we know that that basically is all I could do. And how do I stand with everything else? And what we see now is that those 6 items that we selected, we can also do all 6 of them under our funding levels. So now we have enough information to be able to go through and say, do I do one thing? Do I do 6 things? Or maybe I have, since I have some funding gap here, I may go in and want to do another or a piece of the first one, or delay it timing wise, whatever I can do to match my funding to my expenses. And whatever helps me make a decision, we're able to put it on one screen, make it a very interactive process to help you make your decisions.